Can fuel injector cleaning fix a rough idle? Have you ever noticed your truck shaking or making strange noises while idling? You might be dealing with a rough idle, and one potential solution could be fuel injector cleaning. Let's break down how this maintenance task can help and what you need to know. Rough idling happens when your engine does not run smoothly while your truck is stationary. This can lead to vibrations and noise, which can be quite annoying. One common cause of rough idling is dirty fuel injectors. These components are responsible for delivering fuel to the engine's combustion chamber. Over time, they can get clogged with deposits, making it hard for them to do their job effectively. Cleaning your fuel injectors can help restore proper fuel flow. This process typically involves using fuel additives or specialized cleaning equipment. For trucks and 18-wheelers, products like Cataclean or Sea Foam are popular choices. These additives are designed to break down the deposits in your fuel system without needing to take anything apart. Regular fuel injector cleaning can have several benefits for your truck. It can improve fuel efficiency, reduce harmful emissions, and help avoid costly repairs down the line. If your truck is experiencing a rough idle due to dirty injectors, using a fuel additive can often restore smooth engine operation. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the cleaning product. Also, make sure your fuel tank is not too full when adding the cleaner. While fuel injector cleaning can often fix rough idling, it is not always the answer. If the problem continues after cleaning, you may need to look into other issues. Faulty spark plugs, ignition problems, or issues with the engine's air intake system could also be at play. Sometimes, an engine tune-up may be necessary after cleaning to ensure everything is running optimally. Incorporating fuel injector cleaning into your truck's maintenance routine can help keep your engine performing well. This simple step can lead to better fuel economy and less downtime, making your truck more efficient on the road. So, if you are facing a rough idle, consider giving fuel injector cleaning a try. It might just be the solution you need to get your truck running smoothly again.